We're over here at the range, and we're going to be testing out our Palmetto State Armory with our new compensator. And of course, we're going to throw in our heavier buffer. We got it set up for an H3. Set that up last night. So we're going to put a couple rounds down range with just the compensator. I'll see if how well that works. I'm expecting pretty good decrease in muzzle rise. So once we put a couple rounds down, we're going to add the heavier buffer, and I think we're going to be pleasantly surprised. At least I'm hoping. All right, this is with just the compensator, no buffer. See what we got here. I'd say our compensator did some work. It definitely put in some work, that's for sure. Changed the whole percussion of this AR. That sucker is loud. So you definitely feel the gases and everything hitting my face. Pretty bad now. Like a little bit worse than we had just the A2 on there. So I'm going to put this buffer in. I'm going to see if it cycles. I'm only going to put one in the mag. See how well it cycles. I feel like the buffer's kind of overkill now. That shot really well. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This Strike Industries loaded for an H3 is just so much heavier. Maybe I should have started with the H2. Oh well. I mean, there's no going back now. So we're going to see exactly how this heavier buffer runs, and go from there. I'm gonna put one. I got one round in this mag. We're gonna send it, see what it does. Okay, well, it sent it. Let's keep going. I'm not quite sure where that landed. About 3 o'clock. I'll tell you what. That actually made a big difference. I'm still getting a bunch of gas. I am eating it, literally eating it. But that is super smooth. A lot better. Alright, so we got one loaded in our initial mag with the 2, so we're going to run a little drill. I'm going to do 1 reload. Alright, see how this goes. Locking back. Man, that is clear and safe. Man. Well, I think we just turned our Palmetto State Armory into a Daniel's Defense. Not really, but that is running super flat, very little muzzle rise, and all for 120 bucks. I say we got a winner chicken dinner, boys. It's crazy how that I could definitely feel that this buffer is moving a lot slower, but it's putting my brass out about 3 o'clock, which is decent, very good. So I got a few more rounds laying here on the table. If you're curious, I'm running tool ammo pre-COVID. When I mean pre-COVID, I mean tool ammo that was $5 a box from Walmart. That every time I walked into Walmart, I picked up 5 boxes, $25, $26 with taxes. Every time I walk into Walmart, I just go ahead, grab 5 boxes. Wow, it's amazing. Now, I don't know if it's just this rifle setup or not, but if you just go ahead and go grab an H3 buffer by itself, probably be cheaper than buying the Optimus. But not knowing if the H3 is going to be too heavy for a different rifle. I mean, I'm pretty sure when they built this Palmetto, they, used a 750 gas block and it just gave it all the beans, all the gases, just to make sure it's going to run. But hey, it's going super smooth. So we're going to put our earplugs in. We're going to go one more round. Man, it's a very fun gun to shoot now, even with the gases. Wow. And all I can say is that made a difference. Big difference. Huh. I feel like we should have just got us an H3 to start with. I think you can get the H3s for 20 bucks or so instead of 50 for the Optimus. But hey, I can't complain. Man, completely changed the way this gun runs. Good compensator and an H3 weight buffer. So we're going to grab a couple more rounds, set this back up, and do it one more time. Alright, so on my my training vest here, I have some Midwest Industries, just very cheap metal mags. And I'm going to stick 2 in here, 2 in here. Is this the same thing? No, this one's actually D&H Industries. Never heard of those. So these mags are full of dirt and very worn, very broke in. Lots of reloads, lots of buildup of powder. So if it'll run these metal mags, I say we're doing good. Let's go ahead and get 2, 4, 6, 8 rounds down. Alright. Clear and safe. Yeah. You can taste it. It definitely pushing out some gas. I wonder. Now this got me thinking. This is a super flat shooting gun now, so alright. Super flat shooting rifle now. All it took was a $30 muzzle brake and a $50 buffer, which you can get away with just buying a regular H3 buffer for $20. I wonder what we can do now if we did end up buying just a really nice Strike Industries adjustable gas block and actually turn the gas down so you're not tasting it when you're shooting. So, just curious. I mean, for sure, this thing runs so much better, so much smoother. It's very nice. I mean, the good thing is with this Optimus, if you want to run suppressed and you don't have an adjustable gas block, you can always take it down a notch to an H2 with the different buffer weights in it. Speaking of, let's pull this down and we're going to check out see if it came loose or anything. Alright, right out of the thing, it has not walked loose. It is still tight. Very cool. Very nice. Very nice. Just make sure when you shoot it, keep your mouth closed. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Jesus Christ, anything else. Bro. Alright, tell me what you think. I think that's it. Yeah, you're locked back. So what'd you think?
It's not bad. It's nice.
That's nice?
It's smooth.
For somebody that don't shoot a lot. It's really smooth, isn't it?
I haven't shot in a while and that's smooth.
Yeah.